Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to tackle a common issue many of you are facing with the year college 25 Dynasty Mode not working properly. Whether you are dealing with server errors, playbook issues and the scheduling problems, we have got you covered. Dynasty Mode is one of the most exciting features in the college 25, allowing you to manage the college football team like a pro. However, many players are experiencing frustrating bulk and the servers issue. These include problems with the playbook changes affecting players' rating and position changes not showing up and the repetitive not conferencing scheduling. If you are encountering server errors or the lorem ipsum placeholder text, try this simple fix. Disconnect from the internet. Yes, you read that right. Playing offline can resolve many connectivity issues. Simply turn off your internet connection and you should be able to access the Dynasty mode without any problem. For those dealings with the playbook and the schemes changes, EA Sports recommends avoiding the playbook screen for now. Instead, use the edit code screen to change your playbook. This temporary workaround should help stabilize your team's performance until a more permanent fix is released. Thanks for watching. Hopefully, these tips help have helped you get back into the dynasty mode. If you have any other tech related problem you'd like me to solve, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech solutions and gaming fixes.